First, we will see what will happen in Prepoint region events. So the Prepoint region in every time slot is used to sample values in this event. So note that the sampling will happen only for signals that are used by concurrent assertions, and also for the signals of variables that is using an explicit hash one-step sampling in a clocking block inputs queue. So you might be familiar with clocking blocks, and while defining clocking blocks, you need to specify an input queue, and that is the queue used to sample values or read variables from this clocking block. And if this input queue is given as hash one step, then the sampling will happen in the preponed region. So simply in preponed region, all the signals will be sampled which are using concurrent assertions in general, and also the variables which are specified in a clocking block with a hash one step sampling. And please note that the hash one step is a unique term. You should never use this step term with anything other than hash one. So you should never use something like hash two step or hash three step, something like that. So there is a specific meaning for hash one step, and you should only use this hash one step in specifying a clocking block input queue. So this is a general coding guideline. It might not be giving any error if you use anything other than hash one step, but if you keep this coding principle, it will give you some predictable result in the simulation. And the preponed region is always executed only once in this time slot. As you know, there is no feedback mechanism once you come out of this enter into the preponed region or come out of this preponed region. Every feedback will happen to the point where after the preponed region. One more thing you need to note here is, if you are using a signal with a concurrent assertion or a signal with a hash one step in a clocking block, its sampling will not happen in every time slot. So you have already seen that the set of events will be evaluated only if there is an update to that event. So the sampling will happen only in the time slot if there is any trigger is happening. So both the concurrent assertion and the clocking block is specified with a trigger point. It could be a clocking expression or positive edge of clock, something like that. So only if the trigger event is happening in the current time slot, this sampling of these variables will be happen in the preponed region.